This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the contact method Facebook will use, the exact phone number or email listed on your account. Once done, restart your device to clear network glitches and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh connection. Make sure the message app or email client isn't filtering messages into spam or promotions. Sometimes automated messages get routed away. If the contact is correct and your device is online, proceed to trigger a new code from Facebook rather than waiting. Next, request a new code and select an alternate delivery option if available, such as SMS instead of email. Once you request it, make sure Do Not Disturb or any SMS filtering apps are disabled. They can silently drop messages. If possible, attempt the login from a device or browser you've used before, because Facebook sometimes stops verification to unknown locations. While you wait, check your account's recovery options and confirm the listed contact is reachable and spelled exactly as shown. When the code arrives, enter it promptly and carefully. These codes often expire quickly. If you still don't receive anything, try the account recovery flow to add a trusted contact or use previously set backup codes. Make sure to document each attempt, including time, delivery method, and device used. That information helps support. If nothing works, submit a support request to Facebook with those details and a photo ID if required. One final tip: test receiving messages from other services to isolate carrier or device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.